Hi, everyone. So, I want to talk about some organizational tips today, and that is with our bookmarks. So, prior to a couple weeks ago, my bookmarks were a mess. I just kind of clicked on bookmarks to kind of remember or that websites that I would want to go back to, and then totally forget about them because it was kind of a mess on my bar. So, what I would like to show you guys is using folders on Google Chrome. This has really helped me stay organized, and it's been super helpful in distance learning when I have a bunch of tabs I need to have open or when I want to quickly get to something. So I've organized these bookmarks into these folders. So in my first folder, I have my daily links. So that includes our Synergy, Gmail, Go Guardian. And this is really nice because I can just kind of click on one link and be able to get there. For advisory, I also have the same thing, things that I need particularly for advisory. One thing I would highly recommend is to have the advisory website that Ms. Bundin has created, and put that in your bookmark and put it under advisory folders so that you have, it's been like helpful for me. I don't have to go through my emails to find the links to the advisory plans. I can just look at the website and be able to find the activities. And so that, I get a lot of emails. So I just, the less I can go into my email, the better. And then the other thing I want to point out is I'm a big fan of Flippity. And so Flippity is our name. I use Flippity for a bunch of different things, but the main thing I use Flippity for is this free name generator. And this is really, really awesome. Now, putting it in my bookmark under my Avid folder, because that's the class that I teach. When I click it there, it's now one click. I don't have to go through my drive and to my priority and like go to multiple clicks and links. I can just go to one place and one click. So I just bookmark the Flippity name generator here. And now I have my wheel for my students. Again, you can do lots of different things with this name generator, like the single name and the lineup. I really like this lineup because it gives students a heads up that they're going to be called soon. And then, of course, you can do groups. So it's super easy. And by having this in one click, I can have my name generator right there. So it's really awesome. So I highly recommend using these folders. So to create a folder on Chrome, you would right click it and then click add a folder. And then I would give it a name. So I'm going to say new folder because I'm not creative right now. And then save it. And if there's room up here, it will be here. But then I can also sort this. So if I go to my three little tabs here, I can go to bookmarks and go to my bookmark manager. And from here, I can drag things to where I want. So let's say this new folder I don't necessarily need on my bookmark bar, but I want to keep it as reference. I can place this under new bookmarks and it disappears from my bookmark bar. And I now have another folder called other bookmarks. And then I can drag and drop bookmarks, and I've placed all my bookmarks into folders because now I'm that person. But it's been really, really helpful to kind of have and to be able to see. And then if anything that I don't have on my bar here, I can still go back to that bookmarks page and click show bookmarks bar or show bookmarks manager, or have it all under here as well so that it's all in one place. So that is, and then again, you can see this other bookmarks bar came up because that is where all my other bookmarks live. So that is one simple way that we can organize and kind of keep everything in one click. There is another link that I will put up of where a teacher uses the pages to be able to open up all of her tabs all at once with one click. So check that out to have there. Anyways, have a great day, Trojans.